Dear students, methods of expressing concentration today topic. What is concentration? Quantity of solute present in definite quantity of solution relative to the solvent is called concentration. Yes. What is standard solution? The solution, no, if you know the concentration, known solution. If you don't know the concentration, that is the unknown solution. Okay? Known solution means standard solution. Right? Which solution concentration you know, that is the standard solution. That is called known solution. Which solution concentration you don't know, that is the unknown solution. Okay, right. Dilute solution means solute and solvent quantity much more than solute, that is the dilute solution. Okay, concentration of solution expressed in different methods. Right? Concentration of solution expressed in different methods. Okay, first physical methods we will discuss. Concentration of solution expressed in different methods, that is the physical methods. The first one, weight percentage, weight fraction or weight percentage. Okay, weight fraction or weight percentage. The first one, weight fraction or weight percentage, capital W by capital percentage. Sir, what is this one? Weight fraction means small w by small w plus capital W. This is the fraction. If you multiply it with 100, this one, fraction, percentage. Understood? Weight fraction, small w by small w plus capital W. Weight percentage means small w by small w plus capital W into 100. Okay? Small w weight of solute, small w weight of solute, small w weight of solute, capital W weight of solvent, capital W weight of solvent, capital W weight of solvent. Volume fraction, okay, small v by capital V percentage otherwise. So volume fraction equal to small v by small v plus capital V into 100. Small v is volume of solute. Capital V equal to volume of solvent. Understood? Write down. Completed?
No, sir.
Right. This concept is very important. Please everybody follow this one. Next. Next. Weight volume fraction. Weight volume fraction or weight volume percentage. Weight volume. Weight volume percentage means small w by capital W. Weight volume percentage. That is small w by capital V into 100. Small w equal to weight of solute. Capital W equal to weight of, capital W, capital V equal to volume of solution. Again, solution are there. Again, I don't want to discuss in solution. Okay. volume strength is not required, but the most important ppm, parts per million. Parts per million. ppm, parts per million. Small w by small w plus capital W into 10 power of 6. Percentage per 100 we are taken, ppm per million we are taken. Or small v by small v plus capital V into 10 power of 6. That is the ppm formula. Small w weight of solute, capital W weight of solvent. Small v volume of the solute, capital V volume of the solvent. Okay.
सर
हाँ मैडम,
वो सी में भी आपने वॉल्यूम ऑफ सॉल्यूशन दिया है, वो करेक्ट है ना
मैडम
सर? वो सी में
capital sorry, capital volume of solvent मैडम. Ah, sorry, this is correct. Sorry, you are correct. Yes मैडम, correct. weight volume है ना, correct है. इधर है तो क्या है, volume of solvent. Okay मैडम, ओके ना?
यस सर.
Total volume of the solution.
So even that is denoted by V, capital V.
Yeah, capital V. क्या करेंगे अभी? Okay, generally you are confusing sir this way. Either V means weight of volume of solvent, either V means volume of the solution. Okay, otherwise V1 लिखो. V1 without confusion, that is important. Okay. Okay ना?
Okay sir.
Right. Generally sir, either be capital V, sir, either be capital V, either V, capital V is the volume of the solvent, but either capital V volume. Okay, without confusion. Concept क्या है? Weight of solute upon volume of the solution into 100. Weight volume. Okay ना? Dear students, if you have doubt like that, ask me. Otherwise, आपको confuse जाते हैं, हाँ? Next.
Yes.
Good. Next. Molarity. These are the chemical methods. Huh? Physical methods. Concentration expressed in physical methods. These are the next chemical methods. From this one onwards, very, very important. Chemical methods. Chemical methods. First one is molarity. Molarity. Capital M. Molarity. Capital M. Molarity means, write down the number of moles of dissolved solute, the number of moles of dissolved solute present in 1 liter volume of solution. Present in 1 liter volume of solution is called molarity. It's called molarity capital. Molarity capital equal to number of moles of dissolved solute. 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 Capital equal to number of moles of dissolved solute upon volume of solution. Understood, dear students? Means N by V. N means number of mole. Volume liter. Mole by liter. Then mole liter inverse, which is equal to molar. But 1 liter equal to 1 dm cube. So 1 liter equal to 1 dm cube. Dear students, understood now? Then mole dm power of 3 whole power of -1 mole dm power of -3. Any doubt? then capital M equal to N into 1 by V liter. N means number of moles. Weighed by gram molecular weight into 1 by volume in liter. समझ में आया ना dear students? Weighed by gram molecular weight into 1000 by volume in ml. Any doubt? Completed? Shall I repeat? समझ में आया dear students? Tejas understood?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. So next formula, molarity equal to percentage into D into 10 by gram molecular weight of solute. Gram molecular weight of solute. Your percentage is the, which percentage? Small w by capital W percentage. Okay. D equal to density or specific gravity of solution. Okay, right. Next formula, M1 V1 which is equal to M2 V2. These are before dilution. For example, 5 molar 2 molar 200 ml of 5 molar HCl. Water add किया, then 800 ml of 1.5 molar HCl. Means this is before dilution, this is after dilution. That is the meaning. Dear students, समझ में आया ना? अरे water add किया तो volume increases, molarity what happened? Volume increases, molarity what happened?
Decreases.
So M1 V1 molarity and volume before dilution, right? Before dilution, okay. This is before dilution. Before dilution. M2 V2 molarity and volume. This is after dilution. This is after dilution. Okay. Please write down, dear students. Then, for example, they are asking volume of water. Volume of water to be added. Volume of water to be added. How much water is added? V2 minus V1. Final volume minus initial volume. Volume of water to be added. When two solutions of same solute are mixed. When two solutions of same solute is mixed, then resultant molarity, M final molarity, M final equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 upon V1 plus V2 actually. This is the total volume. M resultant, V resultant. V resultant means final volume. Understood? Next. Completed?
No, sir.
Normality. Normality, capital. Normality means the number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter volume of 1 liter volume of solution. The number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter volume of solution is called normal. Number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter volume of solution. Normality equal to number of gram equivalents upon volume of solution. And volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liters. Then gram equivalent upon liter. Then gram equivalent liter inverse, which is equal to normal. Understood? Right? Number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter volume of the solution. Any doubt? Gram equivalent means this can be written as gram equivalent into 1 by V in liters. Gram equivalence means weight by equivalent weight. Weight by equivalent weight. Equivalent weight into 1 by V liters. अरे equivalent weight concept पूरा discuss किया रे. Normality equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1 by V liters. Normality equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1 by V liters. Any doubt? Normality equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1 by V liters. समझ में आया dear students? Equivalent weight concept पूरा discuss किया है. Equivalent weight of acid, base, everything completed. Next, weight by equivalent weight into 1000 by volume ml. Next, normality equal to percentage into D into 10 by gram equivalent weight of solute. So, you know, percentage means weight by weight. D means density or specific gravity of solution. Okay. Dilution law. Dilution law. N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. N1 V1 before dilution. Before dilution. N2 V2 after dilution. N1 V1 before dilution. N2 V2 after dilution. Okay. Remaining formulas already discussed in equilibrium. Both are acids, both are bases, acid and bases. Condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. 3 discuss किया देखो. Concept of pH में discuss किया ना. चला ना अभी. Relation between normality and molarity. Normality equal to molarity into valence. Valence. Completed? Completed? Next. Molality. Small m. Molality. Small m. Molality is small m. Molality means the number of moles of dissolved solute. The number of moles of dissolved solute present in 1 kg of solvent. 1 kg of solvent is called molality. Molality small m. The number of moles of dissolved solute present in 1 kg of solvent is called molality small m. Next. Small m equal to n by weight of solvent. Small m molality equal to number of moles n by weight of solvent in kg. Small m is the mole upon kg, which is equal to mole kg inverse, which is equal to molar. Small m equal to n means weight by gram molecular weight into 1 by weight of solvent. Weight of solvent kg. Then weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. This is the molarity part. Write down, write down. Okay, completed. Completed. Next. Small m equal to 1000 capital M by 1000 D minus m dash. M dash. Small m equal to, okay, where small m equal to molality. Small m equal to molality. Capital M equal to molarity. M dash equal to molecular weight of solute. Molecular weight of solute. D equal to density. Density of solution. Right. D equal to density of the solution. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Next. Mole fraction. Mole fraction capital X. Sir, what is the mole fraction? What is the mole fraction? Let us consider binary solution. Here A and B are two components. Right? Let us consider binary solution. Binary solution is two components. Let us consider binary solution in which A and B are two components. Let us consider binary solution in which A and B are two components. Na and Nb are number of moles with respect to A and B. Xa and Xb are mole fractions with respect to A and B. Right. Sir, what is the mole fraction? This is the mole fraction. Xa equal to Na by Na plus Nb. Means Mole fraction is defined as it is the ratio of number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all component in the solution. Yes, two components are there. Mole fraction of A means Na by Na plus Nb. Okay, it is defined as number of moles of one component to the total number of moles of all components in solution is called mole fraction. Okay. Numerator mole, denominator mole, mole cancel, then no units. Mole fraction has no units. Mole fraction has no units. XB, how to write XB? NB by NA plus NB. Okay. And XA plus XB equal to 1. Sum of the mole fractions of all components 1. Yes, if you add these two, it should be equal to 1. XA plus XB equal to 1. Mole fraction of solute which is equal to mole fraction of solute equal to small m by small m plus 1000 by capital W. Small m equal to molality. Small m equal to molality. Capital W equal to weight of solvent. So molecular. Gram molecular weight of solvent. Gram molecular weight of solvent. Understood, dear students? Molarity, normality depend on volume rate. Means volume may depend होता है. Volume may depend means definitely temperature may depend होते हैं. But mole fraction and molality independent on temperature because of there is no volume factor. What is molality? The number of moles of dissolved solid present in 1 kg of solvent. There is no volume factor. So molality and mole fraction independent on temperature. This note point right now. Completed. Molality and mole fraction. Molality and mole fraction independent on temperature. Right now. Molality and mole fraction independent on temperature. Okay. So this is the methods of expressing concentration. From stoichiometry, remaining one concept left, that is stoichiometric calculations and balancing equation. So balancing equation I will explain now. Okay, dear students, how to balance redox reactions we will discuss now. Write down. Right. Write down. One question I will explain. Remaining question we have to solve it. Write down. Balance the redox reaction by ion electron method. From objective ion electron method, very important. Balance the redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. Balance the redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. One of the redox reaction they are given, unbalanced redox reaction, MnO4 minus. Fe2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to Cr3 plus Fe3 plus. Fe2 plus Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to Cr3 plus Fe3 plus. Either iron oxidation number plus. Dekho, this is the redox reaction. Redox reaction means, what is redox reaction? Tell me. Question is, balance the redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. That is the question. Dear students, that is the question. What is redox reaction? What is redox reaction?
Reaction
Oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously.
Oxidation means increase in oxidation number oxidation, decrease in oxidation number reduction. Yes, your iron oxidation number is +2. Your iron oxidation number is +3. +2 to +3 oxidation number increases. This is the oxidation. This is the oxidation. Sir, Cr2O7 2 minus chromium. Chromium oxidation number either +6. Either chromium oxidation number +3. +6 to +3 oxidation number, what happened? +6 to +3 oxidation number decreases. Decreases means reduction. Dear students, समझ में आया ना? Any doubt? Any doubt? This is the redox reaction. Iron +2, iron +3. Cr2O7 2 minus chromium +6, here chromium +3. So this is two half cells. First of all, you have to separate. This is the oxidation of reaction. Oxidation half reaction. This is the reduction half reaction. This is the reduction half reaction. So in the oxidation of reaction, Fe +2 becomes Fe +3. In the reduction of reaction, okay, 1 minute. Oxidation of reaction, this one, oxidation of reaction. Fe +2 becomes Fe +3. Reduction of reaction, Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to Cr3 plus. Cr3 plus. Cr2O7 2 minus gives rise to Cr3 plus. Step 1, balance the other than oxygenated hydrogen by multiplication process. Step 1, balance the other than oxygenated hydrogen by multiplication process. Step 1, balance the other than oxygen hydrogen by multiplication process. Any doubt? Multiplication process. Sir, how to multiply? Either one iron. Other than oxygen hydrogen, one iron. You need not be balanced. Fe +2 becomes Fe +3. But other than oxygen hydrogen, which elements are there in the reduction half cell? Chromium. Here, how many chromium atoms? Tell me, Ray. Step 1, balance the other than oxygen hydrogen by multiplication process. This is oxygen, either no oxygen. Okay, other than oxygen hydrogen, 2 chromium, 1 chromium. You have to balance the chromium atoms by multiplication process. Are sir, either 2 chromium atoms are, so either 1 chromium, I will add 1 more chromium. No, multiplication is either 2 chromium, that's what you can take 2 CR. This is the multiplication process. CR2 over 7 2 minus gives rise to CR3 plus. Dear students, step 1 understood? Dear students, step 1 understood? Understood? For
Yes, sir.
example, P4 is there, PH3 is there. How to balance other than oxygen hydrogen? Yes, phosphorus, phosphorus, other than oxygen hydrogen. 4 phosphorus, 1 phosphorus. That's why you can take 4 like this. That is the multiplication process. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, madam. Shall I repeat?
Understood, sir.
To balance the oxygen atoms by adding water molecule to the deficient side. Step 2. Balance the oxygen atoms. Balance the oxygen atoms by adding H2O molecules to the deficient side. Balance the oxygen atom by adding H2O molecules to the deficient side. Balance the oxygen atoms by adding H2O molecules to the deficient side. Either no oxygen, either no oxygen. Then Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3. Either 7 oxygen, either no oxygen. 7 oxygens are deficiency this side. That's why 7 water molecules. Cr2 over 7 2 minus gives rise to 2 Cr3 plus 7H2. Understood? Balance the oxygen atoms by adding H2O molecule to the deficient side. 7 oxygens, no oxygens. That's why 7H2. 7 oxygens are deficiency this side. Any doubt? Next. Balance the hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ions on deficient side. Okay. No hydrogens here. As usual, you can write Fe plus 2 becomes Fe plus 3. Either क्या है 7 2 जा 14 hydrogens. No hydrogens here. 14 hydrogens are deficiency. That's why Cr2 over 7 2 minus plus 14H plus. Understood? 7 2 ja 14 hydrogens. No hydrogen. 14 hydrogens are deficiency. 14H plus. Gives rise to 2 Cr3 plus 7H2. Okay. Understood? Any doubt? Step 4. Balance the charge by adding electrons. Okay, balance the charge by adding electrons. Oxidation है तो right side रहे. Oxidation है तो right side. Reduction है तो left side we have to add electrons. This point important. Balance the charge by adding electrons. Oxidation right side. Reduction left side. Then listen, my dear students. This is the charge. How to balance? Either plus 2, either plus 3. Difference how much? Plus 2, plus 3. Difference how much? 1. That 1 electron you should add right side. Fe2 plus gives rise to Fe2 plus Fe plus 2 gives rise to Fe plus 3 plus electrons. Balance the charge by adding electrons. Any doubt?
Sir, please repeat
इधर देखो.
again.
इधर minus 2 14 into plus 1 plus 14. देखो 1 into minus 2 plus 14. 2 into plus 3 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 14 means plus 12. Plus 12 plus 6. Difference is 6. 1 into minus 2 minus 2. 4 into plus 12 plus 14. 2 into plus 3 plus 6. Plus 12 plus 6. Difference is 6. Understood, dear students? Difference 6. 6 electrons you have to left side because of this is the reduction. Any doubt? Charge balance. Most of the students are confusing at charge balance. My point understood? Balance the charge by adding electrons. Oxidation at the right side, reduction at the left side. Okay, third step also definitely I will explain. Right? Once again, I am starting. Listen, my dear students. This is the redox reaction. Unbalanced redox reaction. Redox means both oxidation and reduction. Either iron plus 2 plus 3 oxidation. Either chromium plus 6 plus 3 reduction. Oxidation of reaction, reduction of reaction. Plus 2 plus 3. Cr2 minus Cr3 plus. Step 1. Balance the other than oxygen hydrogen by multiplication process. One iron, one iron. You need not be balanced. But either other than oxygen hydrogen, 2 chromium, 1 chromium. Either 1 chromium. We have to balance by multiplication process. 2 Cr. Balance the oxygen atom by adding water molecule to the deficient side. Iron plus 2 plus 3. इधर क्या है? Listen, my dear students. If you are taking balance the oxygen atoms by adding H2 molecules to the deficient side. Either 7 oxygens, either no oxygens. 7 oxygens are deficiency, 7 water. After that, balance the hydrogen atoms. Either no hydrogens, you need not be balanced. Either no hydrogens, you need not balance. But either 7 to the 14 hydrogens. 14 hydrogens means this side 14 hydrogens are deficiency. 14 H plus side. Balance the hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ions on deficient side. Madam, understood?
Yes, sir.
Balance the charge by adding electrons. Oxidation at the right side, reduction at the left side. Plus 2 plus 3 difference, 1 electron, that electron right side we are added. 1 into minus 2, 14 into plus 1, plus 14. Plus 14 minus 2, plus 12. 2 into plus 3, plus 6. 12 and 6 difference is 6. That 6 you have to your left side. Okay, this one. Any doubt? Completed? Any doubt? Next. Shall I repeat?
Yes.
No, madam, I will explain. Wait, still not completed. Right? Next. We have to balance these two equations.
Wait, sir.
Oh, okay. Oxidation of reaction, reduction of reaction, we have to balance it. How to balance? I will tell. Fe plus 2 gives rise to Fe plus 3 electron. This one.
Done, sir.
Cr2O7 minus 14H plus 6 electron gives rise to 2Cr3 plus 7H2. Oxidation of reaction, reduction of reaction. Here 1 electron, here 6 electron. Then this is multiplied with 6, this is multiplied with 6, this one. And either 1 electron, that's multiplied with this one. Any doubt? Then you will get 6Fe plus 2, 6Fe plus 3 plus 6 electron. Cr2O7 minus 14H plus 6 electron, 2Cr3 plus 7H2. Any doubt? 6 electrons, if you add these two, 6 electron dono cancel. Then 6 Fe plus 2 plus Cr2 O72 minus 14 H plus 6 Fe plus 3 2 Cr3 plus 7 H2. 6 Fe 6 Fe 2 Cr 7 to the 14 hydrogen 14 hydrogen 7 oxygen 7 oxygen, everything balance. Any doubt? Any doubt? I will give one more example. Right? We will discuss one more example. Don't worry. Okay, na? Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
I will give one more example. Please solve it. Huh? Up, try karo. I will explain. Don't worry. Up, just balance the redox reaction by ion electron method. SO3 2 minus plus MnO4 minus gives rise to SO4 2 minus plus Mn2 plus. This is the balance. You have to balance. This is the balance the redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. H plus means acidic. First, you have to identify it, which is oxidation, which is reduction. Please do it, everybody do it. Which is oxidation of reaction? SO3 2 minus sulfur plus 4. SO4 2 minus sulfur plus 6. Plus 4 to plus 6 oxidation. MnO4 manganese plus 7, either manganese plus 2. Plus 7 to plus 2 decreases. This is the reduction. This is the oxidation. Understood? Understood now?
Yes.
Oxidation number increases, oxidation number decreases, reduction. Oxidation half reaction. A reduction half reaction. SO3 2 minus gives rise to SO4 2 minus. MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn2 plus. MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn2 plus. SO3 2 minus gives rise to SO4 2 minus. You know very well step 1. Step 1, is it any changes are there? Balance the redox reaction by ion electron method in acidic medium. Step 1. Balance the other than oxide hydrogen by multiplication process. Other than oxide hydrogen. The 3 oxide, 4 oxide. Okay. Other than oxide hydrogen is sulfurs. 1 sulfur, not required balance. 1 manganese, not required balance. Step 1, as usual, you can write. Step 1. Balance the other than balance the other than oxygen and hydrogen by multiplication process. By multiplication process. Step 1, balance the other than oxygen and hydrogen by multiplication process. Okay? By multiplication process. Is it required? Not balancing. As usual, you can write SO3 2 minus SO4 2 minus MnO4 minus Mn2 plus. Step 2, balance the oxygen atoms by adding water molecules, H2O molecules on deficient side. Either 3 oxygen, either 4 oxygen. 1 oxygen is deficient. That's why you have here 1 water molecule. 4 oxygen, no oxygen. That's why MnO4 minus gives rise to Mn2 plus 4H2. Any doubt? There are 4 oxygens deficiency is set 4H2. 1 oxygen deficiency 1. Step 3. Balance the hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ions on deficient side. 2 hydrogens here, no hydrogen. SO3 2 minus plus H2O. SO4 2 minus plus 2H plus. Because you have 2 hydrogens are deficiency. Either can 4 to the 8 hydrogens are deficiency. MnO4 minus 8H plus gives rise to Mn2 plus 4H2. Any doubt? Any doubt, dear students, up to this step?
No, sir.
Balance the charge. Balance the charge by adding electrons. Oxidation है तो right side. Reduction है तो left side. Oxidation right side, reduction left side. Either -2, either -2, both side equal. 2 plus 2 this side. So SO3 2 minus plus H2O. SO4 2 minus 2H plus 2 electrons. Understood? देखो either -2, either -2. Both sides are equal. Or otherwise, sir, left side -2, sir, right side -2 and +2. -2 plus 2, 0. -2 plus 2 difference is 2. The 2 electrons we are at right side. Charge balancing understood? Either -2, 1 into -2, -2. 1 into -2, -2. 2 into +1, +2. -2 plus 2, 0. Either -2. -2 and 0 difference is 2. 2 electrons we are at. Any doubt, right? देखो मैडम 1 into -2, -2. 1 into -2, -2. 2 into +1, +2. -2 plus 2, 0. Either -2. -2, 0 difference. The 2 electrons you have to your right side. SO3 2 minus plus H2O. SO4 2 minus 2H plus 2 electrons. Any doubt? Understood? Either देखो 8 into +1 +8. 1 into -1 -1. 8 into +1 +8. -1 +8. 1 into +2 +2. -1 +8 is the +7. Either +2. +7 +2 difference is 5. Any doubt? One into minus one, 8 into plus one, plus 8, minus one, plus 8, 1 into plus 2, plus 2, plus 7, plus 2, difference is 5. So 5 electrons are left side. MnO4 minus 8H plus 5 electrons. Mn2 plus 4H2. Any doubt?
Sir, please repeat the adding of electrons once again.
क्या मैडम?
Sir, ये last step और एक बार repeat कीजिए ना.
Definitely. Everybody confusing charge balancing only. I know most of the students confusing charge balance. Don't worry. Once again, I will repeat. Balance the charge by adding electrons. Oxidation है तो right side add करना पड़ता है. Reduction है तो left side. Okay. देखो sir, how to balance? देखो in this equation SO3 2 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2 1 into minus 2 minus 2 2 into plus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 0 इधर minus 2 and 0 difference is 2 means 2 electrons you have to add. किधर add करना पड़ता है? Left side or right side? Right side, because of this is the oxidation of reaction. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then 8 minute. SO3 2 minus plus H2 SO4 2 minus 2H plus 2 electrons. Reduction देखो 1 into minus 1 minus 1 8 into plus 1 plus 8 1 into plus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 8 plus 7 right? Either plus 2 plus 7 plus 2 difference is 5. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 8 into plus 1 plus 8 1 into plus 2 plus 2 minus 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 7 plus 2 difference is 5. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So 5 electrons you have to add left side or right side?
Left side.
MnO4 minus left side 8H plus 5 electrons. Mn2 plus 4H2. Any doubt? Completed? Everybody completed?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to means in this reaction 2 electrons. 2 electrons means n factor 2 ring. Sulfide convert to sulfate n factor 2. MnO4 minus convert to Mn2 plus n factor is 5. If you want equivalent rate concept. You want to balance these two equations. Balance these two equations. SO3 2 minus plus H2O is rise to SO4 2 minus plus 2H plus gain 2 electrons. MnO4 minus 8H plus 5 electrons. Mn2 plus 4H2. This is multiplied with 5, this is multiplied with 2. Then 5SO3 2 minus plus 5H2 gives rise to 5SO4 2 minus 5 2s are 10H plus 5 2s are 10H. 2 MnO4 minus 16H plus 10 electrons. 2 Mn2 plus 8H2. समझ में आया ना? Then 10 electron cancel. 5SO3 2 minus 5H2O 2 MnO4 minus 16H plus gives rise to 5SO4 2 minus 10H plus 2 Mn2 plus 8H2. This one. If you want to simplify this one, 5H2O this side, 8H2O. 5 comes in this side, 3H2O are there. Either 16H plus, either 10 comes that side, 6H plus. Means 5SO3 2 minus plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10H plus. That side, that's 6H plus. 5SO4 2 minus 2 Mn2 plus 3H2. Because of this 5 comes this side, 8 minus 5, 3. 5 sulfur, 2 Mn, 2 Mn, 3 to the 6 hydrogen, 6 hydrogen. 5 4 is 20, 20 plus 23 oxygens. 5 3 is 15, 2 4 is 8, 15 plus 8, 23 oxygens. All are balanced. समझ में आया ना बैलेंसिंग इक्वेशन? Everybody completed?
No, sir.
हाँ कंप्लीट करो.
I can't see the board, sir.
एक मिनट. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I can't see the board.
ये भी आपका सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम मैडम देखो एक बार.
आप दिख रहे हैं सर.
एक मिनट.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. Everybody completed?
Done, sir.
One minute, dear students. One minute, huh?